Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Tiffany from Beauty and the Beastons, and today I'm just going to be showing you a serious linen closet declutter and organization. Every single thing that I will be organizing this linen closet with will be from good old Dollar Tree. You don't need to spend a ton of money to organize your spaces and just make everything look nice and neat, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this video using a step-by-step process. So first I wanted to show you everything that I grabbed from the Dollar Tree. I really liked these colors. My previous Dollar Tree organization that I had in this linen closet was like kind of the same color basket but a little bit more green. These are a little bit more teal. So I like this color. I like these acrylic containers as well. And then I found these placemats and I have a really good idea for those. I also just wound up picking up a couple of things that are always good to keep in your linen closet. Everything here is from Dollar Tree as well. Okay, so step number one is to take everything out. In the past, I have taken everything out, put it in this hallway here, and then tried to organize in this hallway, and that was just not working for me. The lighting's not good, there's not enough space, so what I wound up doing was putting everything into these laundry baskets and then bringing them into my kitchen so that I could use my kitchen island to organize everything. So the next step is just to declutter and sort. So a lot of things are either expired, I'm getting rid of them, or I'm donating them or giving them away to my family members. So that's what I'm doing first. This is probably the longest process, is just decluttering and getting rid of things that we don't need, as well as just taking some things out of the packaging to make more space.
Take me in small, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know.
And if you're wondering what my kids are doing while I'm recording this video, here's a short little example. Step 3 is to categorize. So I have deodorants, razors, soap, and you'll see I have other little piles of things that make sense to go together. So that is step 3. So I came up with this idea when I saw these containers at Dollar Tree, but basically just cut out the directions from the box. Make sure if you have anything like expiration dates and things like that, you can either write it on the directions, or if they're already on there, that's fine. I'm just cutting off all of the directions and dosaging and all that stuff off of these big bulky boxes, and then I'm going to organize them into these acrylic bins.
Take me in small, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I in the dead of the night.
And of course I need my handy label maker. I just love my label maker for everything, even obvious things. You'll see I label even just the soap boxes. And now I'm just going to continue to sort everything and label everything, as you'll see here. I find the Q-tip boxes to be extra bulky, so I thought it was a great idea to just throw them into a reusable bag. I really love how everything came out. Everything is just super organized and everything has its place, which makes me happy. I thought this would be a cute idea of a boo-boo bucket. You can just easily grab it, and everything is from the Dollar Tree. I also have ice pack in here as well as some Band-Aids. And I wasn't sure what to label this last little container here, so I figured you guys would tell me in the comments below, what would you label this little storage container?
Just like the street.
That is all done. We're going back upstairs. I just organized the toilet paper, the tissues, and the cleaning products. Just put them more neatly, as well as these little things down here. And I wanted to show you again what the towel area looks like. I'm going to be donating these towels, and then I'm just going to organize everything else before I put everything back into the linen closet.
Come in just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna let it rain. Tonight we're gonna let it rain. Tonight we're gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we're gonna let it rain.
I thought this was a good little hack, was to just put placemats down instead of relining the linen closet, because that would take forever, and the lining that we have in here right now is really sticky. So for now I'm just replacing this with placemats from the dollar store, and I thought it looked really nice. And now finally step 4 is to just put everything away nice and neat, and I love how this turned out.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your
Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope that this gave you some motivation as well as some inspiration and just easy, cheap, affordable ideas to organize not only your linen closet but anywhere in your house. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and let me know what type of organizing video you'd like to see next.